Hi guys, welcome back to the Stay Home Garden. Today we're going to go in the garden and check out what the slugs have been doing to my plants. Now I've been attacked, so I'm going to show you what to do when the slugs are attacking your plants. Have you had issues with slugs in your garden this year? I know I have. I can tell because there are holes in the leaves of many of my plants. What they do is they come in and eat off your plant, and they punch little holes in your plant as they eat and go along, and they slug along and leave really slippery, gross residue on your plants. Now something that you can do is plant marigolds in your garden as a trap, so the slugs will want to go to the marigolds and eat them. Another thing you can do is line copper around your plants. That will actually give the slug a shock. A trick that I do is coming out at night with your headlamp on and searching for your slugs. You remove all the slugs and you get rid of them. Alright guys, now it's time to go slug hunting. Not my favorite activity, but it is necessary. So this year, I'm going to try building a beer trap for the slugs and the snails that are just destroying my garden. I've never done this before, so you and I are going to do it together. I'm going to make a beer trap today to trap slugs. I'll need a Tupperware with a top, some scissors, and beer to pour inside after. What I'm going to do is continue cutting holes in the side of my Tupperware. You want them the same height off the ground and same distance around, big enough for a slug to crawl in. And what's going to happen is the slugs are going to crawl in, go into the beer because of the smell of the yeast, and get trapped in there, and they won't go to your plants. Now that I made holes all the way across the top, about the same height, I'm going to fill it up with beer all the way up to the top of the holes. Once I do that, I'll put the cap on and bury it in the garden. You're going to want to have the soil all the way up to the side of the holes. That way it's easy for a slug to crawl inside there. This is one of my other old beer traps. There's some slugs in there. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you follow along to the other ones. If you have any questions, feel free to post them, and myself and other master gardeners will help you along with the issues that you have in your garden.